I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, you will be learning what is the meaning of nested dictionary and what is the significance of nested dictionary. First, we'll understand the concept of nested dictionary in brief. A nested dictionary in Pythons are dictionaries that are stored within another dictionary's value. That means dictionary which contains another dictionary. Okay, a dictionary can contain more dictionaries, that is generally called as nested dictionary. Also, the data are arranged in a hierarchical fashion. Okay. Also, each dictionary within the hierarchy can have its own set of key value pair. What I am trying to imply is already we are mentioning like a dictionary within a dictionary. So, if I talk about the dictionary within a dictionary, each dictionary will maintain like a key value pairs. You know what is key value pair? Okay, like elements of dictionary will be represented in terms of key and values. All right. So this is a basic idea about the dictionary. It is one of the better data structure for storing some information and maintaining. Now we'll discuss about the syntax of a dictionary within the dictionary. As you can see, the syntax of dictionary within the dictionary, which is given below here. So usually dictionary will be marking by using the flower bracket, correct? No? Yes. You can see like a DICT1. Then you can put like a key. Then again value, key value. This is our key. Okay. Next value. Again, you can observe like a key value. Then if I inspect value, look at the value. This is our value, right? First value. Again, you can see the dictionary within the dictionary. Like key underscore A is another key. Then value another key. Value another value. Hope you understood. So here we can see this is our key. Once again, please listen carefully. Key. Then entire thing is called value. Within the value, there is one more key value pair. All right. Now let us see the another key value pair. DACT2 is another key. The what is the value? This is another value. Now inside the value, there is another key value. Hope you understood. This type of data structure is generally called as dictionary within the dictionary. What is the technical term which is called dictionary within the dictionary? The technical term which is called a dictionary within the dictionary is known as nested dictionaries. Let us do some examples so that you will understand very clearly. So we have a program. So let's say my family is one of the dictionary. I'll be calling the name of the family called like a main of the dictionary called my family. Within that, child is a key. Child is a key. Okay, child is a key. You can see child is a key. Then we can see the value. What about the value? So all are actually called value. So these things are called value. So if I inspect the value, look at the values. These are the values. Okay, inside the value, there are key values. What are the key values? Name, then email. Year 2004. Then the first dictionary will be closed. Now moving on to the another dictionary, we can see like the child is a key. Child 2 is key. So these things are called values. Now if I dissect the value, if I observe the values, inside the values there are key values. What are the key values? Name, Tobias. Year 2007. Within the value, another key value pairs. This type of structure is generally called as nested dictionary. Now I'll ask one question to you. How will you ask? How will you retrieve or how will you call that particular I need to, for example, I need to call my dictionary is the name of the dictionary, the child to name. So it will direct you the child to. Child to means here. Okay, child to, that is the key. Now we'll see like the name that will be Tobias. Likewise, we can easily access by using this particular command. Okay, so the result will be Tobias. You can directly work with using any one of the compiler so that you will come to know that how to call, how to retrieve the information from the how to access the particular key and values or within the particular dictionary. Okay, so that is another thing. So this is another information like there is an employee database. So I can access the employee database at any point of time. Here also you can see like employee. Employee is the name of the dictionary. Inside you can see so many key values. Okay, within the value there are some key value pairs. That is the features of nested dictionaries. So I'll be showing you how to access the particular key and values in that particular nested dictionary. Let me take you the particular compiler. I'm using Google Collaboratory, one of the online interpreter. So I'll be typing the program. Suppose I need to access this particular information. Let me run the program. Okay. So you can have a observation. See, like my family is the name of the main dictionary. Within that, there are so many key and values. Inside the value, there are dictionaries. So I wanted to access child 2, okay, and name, so that it will be displayed as Tobias. I hope you understood. So to store like data within the data, or like to store more number of information, I can make use of this particular data structure. In this video, we have discussed about the importance of nested dictionary. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you are watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe and kindly share with this video with your friends and colleagues. Also, kindly hit the like button. If you require similar kind of videos, I'm doing like continuous lecture videos related to various domains of engineering. You can put the like a bell button so that as soon as I provide like uploaded a video, that will be notified to you. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. Happy learning.